Hi, I know, it's your favorite YouTuber, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a professional looking menu with a custom background in Unreal Engine. So first, let's just create a new project. Keep everything as it is. I'm going to call this menu tutorial, blueprint, maximum quality, ray tracing disabled, desktop console, and with the starter content. And let's just wait a bit. It's loading up. 75, 85, 90, 91, and that was actually really fast. So here we are in our third person starter map. So the first thing we have to do is create a new widget, or maybe a folder first. So you right click, new folder, and let's just call this main menu. There. And then we need to create a widget to actually create our main menu interface. So we right click, user interface, widget blueprint. And let's just call this main menu widget. And we have to open it up. And there we go. Here is our blank canvas for designing our main menu. So the first thing we can do is, if you want to be fancy, let's add an image. So this is if you have a custom background that you want for your main menu. And I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. So 0, 0, anchor it to the full screen. And nope, maybe I should have anchored it after. Let's just keep that anchor there. 1920 by 180, I believe. There we go. And now anchor to the full screen. So that way it won't move around based on your perspective shifts. And that looks just about right. So now, if you have an image, you can import it now, like I'm going to do right now. So let's import an asset, preview.jpg, and this is the picture that I'm going to use as my background. So let's just add that in by, I think, dragging and dropping it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I forgot. You have to select the image, and then in here you need to click the arrow, and then it's going to automatically use your selected asset. And there we go. Now we have a background. Let's save that. Compile on save. So now let's add a vertical box. The vertical box is that way everything can keep organized in a good location. So let's position that right there. Let's stretch it a bit. There we go. I like to keep my item menu buttons in the bottom left corner because I think it just looks more neat. So now let's add one button. And let's make this button look nice. I'll call this Start Game. Make it fill. And then change the color to whatever you like. Personally, I'm going to just use the default. But feel free to change the color and opacity however you like. And then we have to drag in some text onto there. And text box here is just about good. Now let's make the text Start Game. There we go. Where is sized context? Okay, it's fine. But then the next thing we have to do is duplicate this button as many times as you want the amount of buttons. So I'm going to add 3 buttons. Sounds good. 1, 2. There we go. And now we have 2 buttons. But I don't like the way how they look because they're so close together and very wide. And it's ugly right now. So now up here in the padding, we can add padding to make things separated more. So let's try 20. Padding. That's a weird padding. Oh, no, that doesn't matter. 20. And for the last one, 20. That's not much better. Let's shorten them a bit. Okay, that looks good enough. So now we can change the names of the buttons, and this one can be credits, and that one can be quick game. Quick game. So now let's add the functions to the buttons. Graph, and then here we can do on clicked for start game, and start. Oh wait, I forgot to change the file names. So go back, and you see it right here where there's the file names. This one's start game, this one's credits. So I'm going to change the name to credits. And this one's quick game. So I'm going to change the name to quick game. There we go. Save it and go back to the graph. And now everything has the custom names. Perfect. So on start game, let's drag it out. Open level. And over here, we need to get our level name. So our level name is third person example map. Let's just rename that to main map so it can be easier. Rename, copy. Let's open it back up. And there we go. And then remove from parent. What this does is it removes the widget from the screen. So you're not in the menu, so you're not in the map, and you still have the screen with you. That is very bad. So then in quit game, we simply do quit game. And that's self-explanatory. That's all it does, just quit the game. So let's save that. And then in credits, we need to create, no, I accidentally commented. So in credits, we need to create a new level. So for now, let's just do open level. And then remove from parent. And create widget. Because we need to create a new widget for the credits that says like, this game was made by whatever. Oh wait. And then, yeah, so here we would put our new widget. And then we would do add to viewport and set that as the target. So there we go. Let's just save it even though there is an error. So let's see. Open the credit level, remove the widget, create the new widget, and add it to the viewport. That sounds good. So now let's go back and duplicate this, and let's call it credits widget. Let's open that up. And we can just remove the vertical box entirely and add some text. Let's make that nice and big. Size 200. Oh wait, that doesn't do anything. You need to go down here. Where is it? Size to context. That is very important. Remember to check that. Where is it? Size. There we go. 100 maybe? That's too big. 80. That's good. So now center as you feel is centered. I think that that's about good. Shortcut Games made this game. And perfect. And now we have our very own credits menu. There's still a few things we have to do, because once you get here, you can't go back, and that might be a problem. So let's add a back button. Drag and drop a button onto your menu, and then drop some text. Let's change this button size. There we go. Perfect. And then let's change the next to back, or return, or whatever you want to name it. And now let's add the functionality. Oops, that's not supposed to be there. So then button underscore 11. I believe that's it, right? Let's rename it to back button. Perfect. On click to back button. Remove from parent. Oh, wait. Yes, remove from parent. Because we don't want to have two widgets on the same screen. That would end up disastrously. Open. Oh, wait, no. Sorry, because we're going to still be on the same menu. Create widget. And then for the class, we would make it, I spelled credits wrong, main menu widget, and add to viewport. Return value as a target. Let's go over this. On click to back button, remove this widget, create the main menu widget, and add it to the viewport. That sounds right. Let's go back. And now, for the construct widget, we can make it the credits widget. And that'll work. So the next thing we have to do is create a new level for the menu. So let's create a new level. Let's call it main menu level. And let's open it up. Save selected. And here we are in our blank new menu. Right now it doesn't have anything because we didn't add anything. So let's go back. Blueprints. We need to copy the third person game mode. So copy that. Go back into the main menu and paste it. And then let's call this something like main menu game mode. And for the menu, we need to have a game mode override to the main menu game mode. There we go. And then let's right click, blueprint class, all classes, and what was it? Player controller, I think. There we go. Player controller. And let's call this menu player controller. And let's open this up. So the only thing that we need this for is for one button, and that's show mouse cursor. Because if we don't click this, then the mouse cursor is going to just disappear instantly. So let's click true, compile and save, and we can exit out of here. So then we need to open the main menu game mode and set the default player controller as a menu player controller. Let's compile and save this. Okay. So I think I'm missing something. Oh yeah. So now, project settings. This is to make sure that your menu is the first thing that opens when your game loads up. Where is it? Oh, packaging, maps and modes. Editor startup map, main menu level, game default map, main menu level. We can close that. Save all. And now let's try playing. What did I do wrong? Oh, I know what. Event construct, add to viewport. There we go. Why isn't it working? Let me see. Cadets widget, open level. Open level, remove from parent. Event construct. Oh, okay. In the blueprints, event begin play. So in the main menu level, there's nothing telling it to construct the widget because you can't have a widget open on the begin play. So in the level blueprint, event begin play, create widget, main menu widget, add to viewport. Let's set the return value as the target. So that way it knows to add the main menu to the viewport. Compile and save. And now it should work. Boom! And we just got ourselves, I might have made the buttons a bit too big, but we got ourselves a fully functioning menu. Hang on, what went wrong there? Credits, open. Oh, that's what went wrong. There's no open level needed. So let's just move that back. There we go. And now let's try it. Wherever I click, the mouse won't disappear. Credits. ShortCutGamez made this game. Back. It's back in the main menu. Start game. And we're in our game. The default game. And then let's try the quick game. Quick game works. And now we are at the end of our tutorial. I hope that this helped you on how to make a decent looking menu. And I hope you'll subscribe. Bye.